Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to edit your location on the X app. Whether you've moved to a new place or just want to update your profile, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button. This option allows you to modify various details about your profile, including your location. Now find your current location listed in the profile settings. Tap on it, and you'll be able to edit it. Use your device's keyboard to enter your new location, whether it's a city, state, or any other place you want to display. Once you've entered your updated location, double-check it for accuracy. Make sure it reflects exactly what you want shown on your profile. Finally, save your changes by tapping the Save button, and that's it. You've successfully updated your location on X. Keeping your profile information up to date can help you connect with people in your area and ensure that your followers know where you're based. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.